Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, remember a time when Microsoft thought that we all would become creators? Well, of course, with the Windows 10 Creators Edition or update that they had pushed on us a new version of Paint, which actually was supposed back then to eventually replace the original Paint, and it was the Paint 3D app. So the Paint 3D app is the effort of Microsoft trying to modernize and also have the Paint 3D app kind of be used in combination with HoloLens. Well, it seems that this is now going to go away. Paint 3D, if you actually go and check out, if you have a new install of Windows, by the way, if you do the clean install, you'll see that Paint 3D is gone. It's not even there anymore. But on an install that you've been working on for years, that's still there, like my Windows 11 here and even my Windows 10 machine, Paint 3D app is still there. But it gives you a message now that says Paint 3D won't be available in the Microsoft Store or receive future updates starting November 4th, 2024. What this means is that they're not going to remove it. But if you reinstall Windows at some point, you're going to lose it and you won't be able to get it back from the Microsoft Store. So I guess it's the end. Of course, it's not needed. We have the good old Paint app that is there. And the good old Paint app has been getting several updates, which is really nice. So, in reality, we don't need a 3D Paint. This app does a lot of what we want to do anyways. And it's been improved a lot with the image creator and the layers. So it's actually more powerful than ever. So bye-bye Paint 3D. And I guess the dream of having Windows 10 and Windows users being creators is kind of gone with Paint 3D going away. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.